What's she doing, buddy? What's she doing, huh? Hi. Hi. Let me tickle that belly. It tickled, didn't it? It tickled. What you doing? Ooh. What you doing? Yeah? It's a pretty boy. Are you happy, boy? Are you a happy boy? Yeah? Let's set you up a little bit higher. There we go. There we go. I love you, Noah. I love you, bud. Hey, Gavin. Who's the best big brother in the world? Raise your hand if you're the best big brother in the world. Can you say bye-bye?
Does it look like there's a police car chasing that car?
It does.
Here's my family. I love you all so much.